Now, to put the brackets in the top, you need to check for handles such as here, find out how deep the handle is and ensure that the holes you put in are forward enough so that the blind doesn't interfere with the window handle. So you mark the holes where the brackets are going to go. And we're ready for drilling. Okay, we're now going to drill. We hope this is going to be concrete. We don't know yet till we go for it, so we'll see now. What we got there, Matt?
Concrete.
Concrete, good. Now you'll see we only go in about 3/4 of an inch to an inch, which is about 20 mil, and we use yellow 3/4 inch plugs with number 8 screws. So Matt is now going to put the plugs in and screw the brackets into the plugs that are in the recessed ceiling. These brackets are spring clips, and when they're fully up they have a nice little note that they make when you flick the spring, and that shows that the bracket's been put up properly. The screws have got a flange on them, the ones we use, which grips the bracket. We don't recommend using countersunk. Round head screws would be a good second choice. Okay, so the brackets are in place. So we now take the headrail unit and they will clip into that set of brackets in the ceiling. Okay, we've put the headrail up, so we're now going to put the weights that go in the bottom of the louvres in the louvres and then hang them on the headrail that we've just fitted. We always hang the louvres with the seam to the left. Just a habit we've got into over the years, but you can have it to the left or the right. That choice is yours. This headrail is a splitting headrail, so half the louvres are on one side and half the louvres are on the other side. Okay, this is the last section for putting in the blind, is putting the chains onto the weights. You have a set of chains at the back and a set of chains at the front. Right, and the final thing is to just check that the blind draws across properly and to check that the louvres are all in a line and parallel. So just take them all the way around one way and then pull on the ratchet, and that will align the louvres. Then pull them all the way around the other way, and that will check the alignment the other way.